Would you like to set up services that can be booked in packs according to your custom rules? This could be a pack of 4 bookings on 4 consecutive Mondays, or every other day, for example. Navigate to Manage Services and open the Time Details tab of the relevant service to enable the recurring options. Indicate the number of sessions that should be added starting from the date your client chooses. You can either highlight the days on which sessions will be added, or choose a set interval. Use a 2-day interval if you'd like to book every other day. Lastly, choose the rule for how the dates are added. Only allow booking if your schedule has consecutive openings that match the configured rules. Skip unavailable dates detracting sessions from the total set number. Or skip unavailable dates adding extra dates if necessary to match the required total. Note that the price set in service details will cover all included sessions in the pack. In this example, 8 sessions will be booked for the price of $400. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.